Nard&Nisha. Hello, YouTube.
What's good, YouTube? What's good? What's good? What's good?
What's good? It is currently wearing a dead watch. Oh no, it came on. It's currently 9:54. Okay, that's backwards, but it's 9:54 p.m.
9:54.
But by the time you all see this, it'll be morning time. But I'm not waking up to record, so good morning, good night, whatever you want to call it. Today's video is another DIY, and if you guys are like me, they don't really drink coffee like that unless I make it. But if you guys are like me and you just love yourself a caramel frap from anywhere, or whether that be Starbucks, McDonald's, your local coffee shop, but the junk's fine. They just hot.
Fine. But they hot. You got to say it with me.
Can we finish the intro?
Yeah, just say it with me real quick. Them junks fine. But they hot. Wait, but they
You
hot.
said they just hot.
But they hot. But they hot. Them junks fine. But they hot. Yeah, them junks fine. Anyway.
What we can put out? Okay, so the issue is they're not expensive, but imagine you buy $4 coffee every day, Monday through Friday, for 365 days a year. That's a lot of money. Okay, so what I decided to do, if you can't buy, you DIY.
If you ain't buy, you DIY. Yeah, if you can't buy, DIY. Oh, baby, she is a miracle chance.
Anyway, so this video is about making a DIY caramel frap from wherever you like, but it's good, and I think it tastes just like the one I get from Starbucks. So here we go.
Here we go.
Without further ado, think they can see us?
I think they get the point.
Okay.